Welcome to Sign Design's tutorial on how to install your decal. We'll show you 2 ways to install decals. Let's get started. Before any installation, clean the install area thoroughly with alcohol and a microfiber towel. You'll also need painter's tape, a tape measure, and a box cutter or sharp knife. In this installation example, our decal is masked, meaning it has an opaque light adhesive paper on top of the decal. This aids in the overall installation. Using small pieces of tape, stick them to either side of the top of the decal and place on the install area. Measure your placement by the bottom or top edge of the decal itself, not the masking or backing. You can adjust the decal by lifting the tape one side at a time and moving gently. Once straight, take 2 more pieces of tape and add them to the top and bottom of the decal. Pick up one side of the decal and peel the masking to the opposite side, leaving the backing behind. Lift the backing up off the install area and cut it off. You don't need it anymore. Take the peeled portion of the decal, holding it straight. Use the paddle to slowly push down on the decal, starting at the center and moving to the edge. You'll need to apply some pressure when doing this, but not too much or you might dig into the vinyl. Once stuck, you can move to the next side. This time, peel the rest of the backing off. No need to slice anything. Repeat the installation from the previous side, moving from the center to the outer edge. Once stuck to the surface, you can remove your tape and peel off the masking. For the second installation example, the decal was cut to shape and does not have masking. We'll start by cleaning the area to remove dirt and debris. Once again, we'll use small pieces of tape to lay the decal on the installation area and measure. Make small adjustments by lifting the tape one edge at a time. Once straight, add a long piece of tape to the top. This will keep the decal in place while providing us movement during the install. Remove the side pieces of tape from the decal. Pull the decal up and starting at the top where the decal is taped, pull the backing off halfway down and proceed to lay it back down on the install surface. Use your paddle to slowly push the vinyl down onto the surface. Once you reach the center of the decal, you can either pull the backing completely off or continue to pull it gradually off until you reach the end of the decal. Once installed, remove the tape and go back over the decal with a paddle to remove air bubbles and ensure the decal is stuck in place. Congrats on your installation.